In August 2025, Chris Guy donated a 1983 Vantage Entertainer guitar to the Free Guitar Project. This is that story.
Hi everybody, my name is Chris Guy. I've been told this was made in 1983 in Japan, which is very cool. I didn't actually know that until I got involved in the project. I bought the guitar in 93 from a store called the Musician's Warehouse, which is no longer around, but the owner's name was Dave, and he was a good guy. And I remember probably mostly bought it because of the look, to be honest. Like, it played really cool as well, but I just remember looking at all the guitars on the rack and it was used. And so I think I only paid maybe $400 for it or something like that back in the day. But I just really loved the wood look and the shape. And so I bought that guitar and proceeded to take lessons in the same shop. Over time, I put a band together, and this whole album here, which I made with some good friends of mine in 1998. So I wrote and recorded this album on that guitar.
The 1983 Vantage Entertainer VEE 570 was crafted in Japan at the legendary Matsumoku factory, a name synonymous with exceptional build quality during the golden age of Japanese guitar manufacturing. Known for producing guitars for brands like Aria Pro 2, Westone, and Epiphone, Matsumoku-built instruments are celebrated for their precise craftsmanship and durable construction. The VE 570 features a solid body, most commonly made from laminated ash, a three-piece set neck, typically maple, and a rosewood fingerboard with elegant block inlays. Outfitted with quality electronics, often Maxon pickups, and detailed with gold-plated hardware, the VE 570 exemplifies the meticulous design and attention to tonal detail that defined this era of Japanese guitars. What truly sets the VE 570 apart is the workmanship and finish. With features like body and neck binding, coil split switching, and a beautifully contoured top, this model exudes a premium feel typically found in much more expensive instruments. Guitar enthusiasts frequently praise the VE series, particularly the 570, for its Gibson ES-inspired tone, strong sustain, and ease of playability. Unlike many mass-produced guitars of the 80s, each VE 570 reflects a level of care and craftsmanship that stands the test of time. Decades later, these instruments are still highly regarded as underrated vintage gems, offering superb performance and quality for collectors and players alike.
I am a millionaire. I'm sure you really care. I am a millionaire.
Oh my God! Oh, Mom, you're gonna hate me. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty, guys. Thank you. I have to give you guys a hug. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you, Chris and God, so much. That's actually, this is crazy.
Okay,
Oh.
now.
The Free Guitar Project is looking for gently used, unneeded guitars to be rehomed with enthusiastic, eager new players that may not have the advantage of having anything to play or learn on. We receive these and clean, repair, and set them up as best we can to make them feel fresh again and to ensure they will last for years to come. We are also looking for recipients. So if you or someone you know is wishing they had a decent playable guitar but have no access to one, please share that story with us, and you or your friend may be the next lucky adopter of a free guitar.